This is Mang Gaspar, our host at Buscalan Tattoo Homestay. Thank you so much, Mang Gaspar. What can you say about our stay?
Okay, thank you also for coming Buscalan. Okay, come again.
Yes, highly recommended. Gaspar.
Okay, thank you.
Sabi ko, masaya ako kasi nagkaroon ako ng isang grupo na masaya. Okay, thank you, Dolor.
Ano, yung salita nila entrance at saka exit, yan yung Bescaran. Bescaran.
Buscalan.
Exit and entrance. Bescaran.
So naging Buscalan.
Oh.
So meaning
Yung
entrance.
dumating yung yung na-occupy yung Butbut tribe, yung taga-Butbut, na-occupy na yung area na yan. Yung first na nagturo na teacher, parang kinorector yung pangalan, Bescaran, naging
Buscalan.
Buscalan. Oh, yung tawag namin, Pusayan.
Pusayan.
Oh, Pusayan, the same meaning, Bescaran.
Pusayan and Buscaran.
And now, the teacher came.
Bakit po doon kayo sa mountain top nakatira? Di ba mahirap ang buhay doon?
Yun kasi yung nandiyan kasi yung mga rice field nila, yung lalapitan.
Mas malapit sa rice field. Pero dati hindi kayo sa bundok naninirahan, yung mga taga-Buscalan.
Hindi, galing kami sa doon din sa bundok sa upper barangay, Lokpong. Kasi yung Lokpong galing din sa Butbut proper. Tapos nagibigay may expansion sa Lokpong, tapos lumabas sa Buscalan. Yung Bugnay, Buscalan, Lokpong, Butbut proper, Mibat. Isang tribo yan.
Butbut. Under ng Kalinga, right?
Under, sa Tinglayan dito, sa municipality ng Tinglayan.
Ano ibig sabihin ko ng Butbut?
Yan yung tribo namin.
The Butbut tribe came from the place called Butbut. And Butbut, there's a water source there that's saying the sound of the water is going hot, hot, hot.
Yes,
hot, hot, hot.
That's why Butbut.
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 Naging Butbut.
Naging Butbut.
Kalinga survival words that I've learned. Good morning is Kwayo we weekend. Kwayo means good. With weekend, morning. Good afternoon is Kwayo arkaw. Kwayo arkaw. Good afternoon. Kwayo arkauro. Good afternoon to you. And good evening, Kwayo, ano po yun?
Alawi.
Kwayo alawi. Kwayo alawi, good evening. So, that's how I greeted everybody whenever I passed through the village, passed through the narrow path, greet everybody, Kwayo, Kwayo arkaw, Kwayo weekend, Kwayo arkaw, Kwayo alawi. What is thank you in Kalinga? So, thank you, salamat means Madyaman. Madyaman. Madyaman po. Joan of Arc here with our guide, Dolores. That's Dolores over there. See you in our next video. Bye for now.